this facial mask that can also be doubled as a facial wash, I'm going to be using some fresh aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin C. It has cooling properties that will help your skin to look healthy and fresh. It also has skin brightening properties which help to get rid of the dead skin cells on the surface of the skin. Aloe vera is good for sunburn. It's also good to protect your skin from the sun. It is also great for clearing pigmentation such as acne scars from the skin. It also helps as a facial toner, and you can also use it as a facial wash. It's just one of those ingredients that you might find in most of your skincare products, and that is for a reason. That is because this works amazingly on most skin type. So what I'm going to be doing with this aloe vera, I'm going to use about 2 ounces or so of the fresh aloe vera, and I'm going to extract the gel. Extracting the gel, you just cut off the 2 outer leaf, and in the middle is what you're going for, and there you're going to find the gel. You can use a knife to extract it like I'm showing here, or you can choose to scrape it and just scrape that gel out. However, whichever way you choose to extract the gel, just go ahead and extract the fresh aloe vera gel. And you also will know when the aloe vera leaf is fresh when the gel is pretty transparent. So once this is done, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to mix the aloe vera gel with some other amazing ingredient. But take a look at this, guys. Just look how fresh this aloe vera gel is. You can choose to use this directly on your face just like this. You can just take it and just rub it all over your face and let it sit on your face for a few minutes, and then you rinse off. But for a more effective facial wash / facial mask, you're gonna do it the way I'm doing it today. Now let's put this aside and reach for my second ingredient. Some of you might be aware of what these are, some of you might not, but these are known as okra, lady fingers, and you have so many other names depending on where you live. But I'm telling you guys, this is like my newfound secret because these are amazing on the skin topically. I have never seen an ingredient that clear pigmentation and brighten the skin as fast as this does. Basically instant result. These are okras, and what you might not be aware of is that they are rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C clear pigmentation, hydrates and boosts collagen in the skin. Now to prepare the okra, I suggest that you take the fuzz off. These have a little fuzziness on the outside. You can use a paper towel to wipe these off, or you can even choose to blanch it before you use it. Once this is done, what I went ahead and I did, I extract the seeds because there's seeds in this, and what I'm left with is the peel or the outer part of the okra, and this is what it looks like once it has been de-seeded, and this is what I'm gonna use to mix with that aloe vera gel. 2 powerful natural ingredients for your skin. If you find that you're having wrinkles on the skin, if you find your skin is looking a little dull, if you find that you are having blackheads and whiteheads and large open pores, this one is for you. And if you're looking to just fix your skin almost instantly by getting a nice clear glow to the skin, glass-like skin, this is for you. So let's place this in the bowl, and then let's add our aloe vera gel in the bowl. So here in our bowl we have our okra peel and our aloe vera gel, and I'm gonna blend these 2 together. So reach for your blender. And if you do not have a blender and you have a grinder, you can actually use it for this recipe. So add your okra, and I'm using about 4 okras in this with about 1 ounce or so of the aloe vera gel. And I'm going to add a bit of a liquid to this. This is where it gets tricky because guess what? You can now make this your own. For me, I'm going to be using some rose water, but here it comes, guys. You can use milk. You can use soy milk, you can use green tea, you can use lemon or orange juice. The sky's the limit here. Just make it your own. I choose to use rose water because I'm making a light batch today, and rose water is very hydrated, help to balance the natural pH of the skin. It's also used as a facial toner. Another thing I like about rose water is that it is great for most skin type. So I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of the rose water. Use 2 tablespoons of any liquid that you're going to use. So here in our blender we have rose water, we have ochres, we have aloe vera gel, and now we're going to blend to a creamy consistency. We're making a facial wash slash facial mask. Just wait for this, guys. Do not click off. Just continue watching for this and take a look. Look at what I have here. This is your cream. This is your creamy facial wash, your creamy facial mask. I'm so excited about this because the first time I tried this, I was like blown away. And after that, it's like I can't get enough of this. You will not understand how amazing this is. But now that I share the recipe, you have no choice but to give it a try. Once you have this okra, whether it is frozen or fresh okra with some aloe vera gel, if you do not have fresh aloe vera gel, go ahead and use the store-bought aloe vera gel to make this because I don't want you to be left out. You need to see how amazing this is. So I'm going to give this a stir, and what I like to do, I like to store this in the refrigerator, and you can keep this in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. If you make it with milk, definitely use it up within 3 days. Now this is what you're going to use to wash your face. You can just take a bit of it and just rub it all over your face, and I'm going to do a quick demonstration on my hands here, guys. And look at this. This is getting all sunny and soapy. Ooh, because this is how amazing this is. So you use this to wash your face, your neck, and your décolleté, and don't forget to rub it on your hands also, the leftovers, and then you wash it off. Now if you're using it as a facial mask, apply it on your face and your neck and just let it sit on it for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you want to just rinse this off, and look at my hands with the demonstration, guys. This is how fast this works. Fast acting, unbelievable. It's like, where was this all my life? This is one you need to try because it's not, you're just gonna be blown away. I am so excited about this one, guys. So as I said earlier, store it in your refrigerator, and it is safe to use on the skin every day. Whip it up, make it up, and I'm asking you, please, please, please come back and leave a comment.